Oh, performance reviews. Why do you hate freaking bagless vacuums? Because why should I have to do this in the snow when I could have? Now I gotta go wash that. I figured I'd give you guys an update on the LG since I'm having to wash it yet again. I don't have anything else to put in the dishwasher right now, so that's just gonna go in there. Get some snow off that. But it just gets kind of nasty like all bagless vacuums do, and I'm not thrilled about that, having to do this so often. But I am glad you can do this, because if I had kept the Dyson this long, the newer model Dysons, the Cyclones, don't separate very easily. It's going to get a little bit of tide in it. There's not the right toothbrush. There's the right toothbrush. Well, I may have done fucked up because I can't remove this. Actually, I just thought I could just get some water in here. Oops. Well, that goes straight to the motor. So I guess the whole thing's just going to get saturated. I've removed the battery. And we'll find out what happens. That's what I was trying to do. Just do the bin assembly. Oh well. Guess we're with that here a little bit. That's smart. That's smart. That's probably the end of this. Please forgive the format here, as I'm using a GoPro like I did when I impromptu made this. I guess that's the theme of this week's video. So I was putting this together, and I was like, I should show this. As I showed you earlier, I ran water through it just because I'm an asshole like that. Well, what happens when you run water through it? Is it going to rust? Are the electronics isolated? The way this was put together, I really didn't want to take it apart. So let's put it together. Just like so. If I could find my crevice tool. There we go. Put this in here. And I guess that's locked in already. Didn't make the usual click. So this is, by the way, 2 days later. Filter looks clean. Like so. And put everything together. Actually, I think it's just fine. Well, we didn't dive. It was completely dry. There's no water was blown into the dry filter. So, yeah, you can wash everything out as a whole assembly. Of course, I didn't get any water on this section, but through the motor, huh. All right. Well, that's good to know. Well, it smells nice and fresh, and as you can see, it's picking up like it should. All right, that's cool.